All right, we are back with common system optimizations. These are things that we're going to go ahead and do on both the host and the target, just to make sure that they are as robust as they can be. Um, One of the problems that I found is that if I take a look at the system status, if I do systemctl status, it shows as degraded for Audio Linux, and it's just because the group and the G Shadow group are not in sync. This is just I think a little bug that Piero has in his menu. Wrong paste command. So I'm going to copy this command and run it on both of the computers. That will solve this problem for us. So now we're going to move on to the next thing. The sudoers file has some lines that are not quite in the right sequence for what we're trying to do. So I'm going to fix the order of the sudoers file by running this script. And this will allow some of the other steps that are further on in this guide to actually work. We're going to optimize boot time by disabling a service that we don't need. So that is taken care of. If you hard power cycle these devices without doing a proper shutdown, you can end up with some file system corruption that can create some problems down the line. So we're going to install a script that will address those, and we're going to make sure that this automatic boot repair service is set up to run automatically, just to make sure that everything's good when it boots. So it will do. It'll check to make sure that slash boot is clean and that it doesn't need to do any correction. But if there's any problem, it will step in and automatically run to clean up the system for us. And then we want to minimize disk I/O to the micro SD card for a number of reasons. One of them may be sound quality, but also we just don't want it to wear out. So we're going to disable disk I/O as much as possible for journaling and logging. And that concludes the system setup and optimization types of steps. So we're going to pause the video here, and then I'll come back in a bit with the next one.